Introducing Ivy Home, a leading EV charger, sleek, weatherproof design for worry-free outdoor installation. Advanced charging technology delivers fast, consistent charge, reducing wait times. Ivy Charging Network 2.0 app provides real-time updates and safety features. Compatible with various electric vehicles, keep your EV ready at home, work, or on the go with Ivy Charging Network. Package includes Level 2 Smart Charger, professional installation, and 3-year warranty. Professional installation installed by ESA certified licensed electrical contractors.